Alright, I'm break an egg. Mix it, whisk it up. Alright, next I'm gonna add in some frozen, not cooked, shrimp. Mix that up. Now I'm gonna add some chopped up, pretty fine, broccoli. Get that all in my bowl here. This is fresh broccoli too. Maybe that's a little too much, but it'll be alright. And I'll keep mixing this up. Alright, now I'm gonna mix in a cooked egg. Yeah, it's gonna be a way different type of omelet here today. Mix that in. Put that in the bowl. Start mixing this up. And I'll mix this up for the next next minute or two. And I'll let that cook for a bit. Now, because I actually have raw shrimp, I have to make sure that's cooked quite well. Now I put some cheese. It's sandwiched between two pieces of bread, and I'm kind of putting it together now. So I'll give this another minute or two. Alright, and this is how it is as a sandwich, an omelet type of sandwich. There's some cheese. Bring it close up here. It's still hot. Slightly toasted. Of course, it's been cut. Look how nice that looks. Colors, white, yellows. Now, taste test. Although I probably should have put another piece of cheese in there, but whatever. Has good flavor. The broccoli that I put in it has a little bit of a crunch, I guess, for a different type of texture, so it's not just all soft. So good. If you guys could taste this right now, it tastes really good. Or I'm really hungry. Yeah, probably both. The shrimp kind of gives it a chewy texture. So, if you enjoyed this exciting video for me of this random omelet type of sandwich with cheese, hit me up on a big thumbs up. Now, as the world changes, so must oneself. To reach a new level of skill and knowledge, one must practice. A single person can't help everyone in this world, but one person can help someone in this world. And until the next exciting and much different type of omelet egg type of videos, it's peace out from you know who, CR. Catch you next time. Peace out.